This is Mike with Mr. Electric, and I'm just here this morning. I wanted to kind of give you an update, or really just a down to earth on tools and testing equipment. Anytime you're working on anything electrical, of course, you're wanting to turn things off, and you want to be sure they are off. If you go into that situation without a voltage tester, an amp probe, there's just a lot of things, an ohm meter, there's all kind of things that you really need to test some equipment to see if you're getting proper power. A voltmeter is probably the most used, and if you're checking voltage ever and you don't have a voltage meter, or you're needing to do that and don't have a voltage meter, it becomes a real problem and a safety issue. This particular meter that I've got in my hand here is actually a multimeter. It's got an amp probe, it's got a ohm test on it, it's got the voltage meter. All these things can be done with an amp probe like this. It's very often that someone comes out to do a little work, or a maintenance man, somebody comes out and they're unable to find the problem. Well, a lot of times they're unable to find the problem because they really don't have the proper testing tools. Sometimes they can't find the problem because they don't have the experience that they really need to go back and really hunt from the beginning to end what's going on with this circuit. There is an experience level that you probably should have before you tear into anything, any little project that you have at your home. And there are times when you definitely need to hire an electrician to do the work. There are also times when you're changing out a bad plug or whatever, but you haven't been able to find which plug is off, which plug is on. That becomes even tougher when you're killing the circuit out and you don't have any test equipment to go really to troubleshoot that, diagnose the problem and fix it. It's Mike, Mr. Electric. We have the power to make things better.